Data was deleted accidentally. All my important files are gone. Now I'm thinking, how can I finish this project? This is actually a very common mistake made by many users. But the good news is, this data may not be lost forever. Yes, there is a solution. We can recover deleted files using a data recovery tool. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted data using a simple and effective tool called Recuva.
In this demonstration, I am using a USB pen drive. I have already copied some video files to it, and you can see that all the files are working properly. Now I am deleting the files from the pen drive. As you can see, the pen drive is empty now. To recover the data, I am using Hiren BootCD and its built-in recovery tools. You can see that I have already booted into the Hiren OS. I have shared a video explaining how to reset Windows path, which also shows how to boot using Hiren BootCD. Plug in the USB drive or hard drive from which the data was deleted. Once Hiren OS is loaded, go to Start, All Programs, Hard Drive Tools, Data Recovery, and click Recuva. Recuva is running now. Click Next to continue. You will see several categories that you can choose from. For this video, I am selecting all files. Next. You need to select the location to scan. Since I am using a pen drive, I will choose a specific location, select the pen drive and click Next. Now enable Deep Scan and click Start. After the scan is completed, you will see the list of recoverable files along with their status. If the status shows excellent, it means the file can be fully recovered. Select the files you want to recover, choose the folder path to save them, and click OK. Recuva will begin to recover the files from the selected location. Once the process is completed, go to the recovery folder, open the files and verify that the data has been restored successfully. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials.